What's going on, guys? Let's look at this problem right here. Here this question is asking, write the following propositions in symbolic form by identifying all variables and using the appropriate quantifiers. Now let's look at the propositions. The first sentence saying there is no largest natural number. How can we write this one using symbolic form like quantifiers? Quantifiers mean we have to use for all, there exist, those kind of things. Okay. Now let's start with this one. So here we can say for all x belongs to natural number, there exists a y belongs to natural number, x is less than y. So here what it's saying is, if we have x, if we say that's a natural number, there's always a y that's greater than that. That's why we are saying there's no largest natural number, there's always something greater than that. Okay, now let's look at the second one. The second one says the equation y square is equal to 4x plus 3 has no integer solution. Now let's see how to write this one using quantifiers. So here we can say for all x comma y belongs to the integer y square is not equal to 4x plus 3. Okay, that's what it's saying. The equation y square is equal to 4x plus 3 has no integer solution. So here we are saying for all x comma y belongs to integer y square is not equal to 4x plus 3. Okay, same thing. Now let's look at another one. Here it says there's no real number whose square is negative. So this one can be written as for all x belongs to real number, 0 x square is greater than 0, greater than or equal to 0. There's no real number whose square is negative. So it cannot be negative. It can be 0 or greater than that. That's what it represents. Now let's look at the next one. Here it says there is no real number whose square is not positive. How to write this one? So we can say there exists an x belongs to real number, x square is less than or equal to 0. Okay, there's no real number whose square is not positive. So we can say there exists a real number, x square is less than or equal to 0. Okay, so let's write the next one. Here it says 0 and 1 are the only real numbers that are equal to their own squares. So here we can say for all x belongs to real number, x square is equal to x if and only if x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 1. These are the two conditions. It can be equal, x square is equal to x. Okay, and that's it. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. And if you are trying to learn discrete mathematics, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.